Hello, friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve Find My Unavailable unable to connect to server on iPhone issue. Fix 1. Log out and back into iCloud. Tap Settings. Tap your Apple ID account. Go down and tap Sign Out. Enter the Apple ID password to sign out. Okay, now you can sign in your Apple account again. Sometimes, you may encounter two-factor authentication. Fix to enable location services. Tap Settings. Tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services. Make sure the Location Services is turned on. Fix 3. Set date and time automatically. Tap Settings. Tap General. Choose Date and Time option. Then toggle on Set Automatically option. Fix for disable screen time restrictions temporarily. Tap Settings. Tap Screen Time. Go down and choose Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap Location Services and make sure there is no restrictions on it. Fix 5. Use iSunshare iOS Repair Genius to fix the error. iSunshare iOS Repair Genius is a reliable iOS system recovery software that can help fix system-related issues in clicks. You can download and install it from iSunshare official website. Open the software. Then select System Repair option. Click the Standard mode to proceed. Hit the Start button. OK. Connect your iPhone to the computer and click the Next button on the software interface. Your iPhone details are shown here. Click the Download button to download the firmware package. Finally, click the Repair button to fix your iPhone issue. Soon, the repair process ends, and your iPhone reboots. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.